The Importance of Continuing Education in Law. Insights from Cass Wennlund. In the fast-paced and ever-evolving field of law, continuing education is essential for maintaining a high standard of professional practice. With new legislation, emerging legal precedents, and evolving societal issues, lawyers must continuously update their knowledge and skills to provide the best possible service to their clients. Cass Wennlund, a seasoned attorney with over 3 decades of experience, emphasizes the critical role that ongoing education plays in the legal profession. Continuing education allows legal professionals to keep up with these developments and ensure their practices remain current and compliant. This includes improving research techniques, refining litigation strategies, and mastering new areas of law. Continuing education in ethics helps attorneys stay mindful of their responsibilities and navigate complex ethical dilemmas that may arise in their practice. Understanding how to use legal research databases, manage electronic documents securely, and utilize digital communication platforms can greatly enhance a lawyer's ability to practice law effectively in the modern age. In many jurisdictions, lawyers are required to complete a certain number of CLE hours to maintain their licenses to practice law. Compliance with CLE requirements is not just about fulfilling a mandate, it's about committing to ongoing professional development. As Cass Wennlund's insights reveal, continuing education is essential for staying current with legal developments, enhancing skills, upholding ethical standards, leveraging technology, adapting to client needs, and fostering professional growth. For lawyers who aspire to provide the highest quality of service and maintain the integrity of their practice, embracing ongoing education is not optional. It's a fundamental aspect of being a successful and effective legal professional.